So guys, I ended up taking the seats out because I wanted to see what type of mess was underneath. I'll show you guys a before and after of what it actually looks like. So this is before, and then I'll show you after. And this is after. It is considerably a lot cleaner. Yeah, what's up guys? I'm just sat in my car. The last little clips you've seen is me taking the seats out, which was the other day. I haven't been uploading much content recently because I'm just waiting for a load of parts to come. Yeah, other than that, I've got a little parts today that arrived. I've already done one of them. So these are not the standard ones that you get anyway. These are just upgraded LED ones that I'll put in. I've still got the factory one, but with the new ones that I've got, you don't have to have the bulb in there. It's LED, so it literally eliminates all of this as well. But yeah, I'll show you what it looks like. Obviously, I'll just rip it off. Oh yeah. Right, so comparing the two, these are both aftermarket as well. This bit just clips into there, so all of that is no longer needed. They basically flash from right to left. Yeah, they're a pretty good product. But I've already done one, as I said, so I'll show you how to do the other side. It's really easy. This is going to be like quite a short video, but yeah, it's very satisfying when you do it. But let's go ahead and fit this one. I'll show you how easy it is. My old one that I bought, this is still aftermarket as well, like I was saying. It's got LEDs in it. It's kind of a more grey silver than it is black. That's kind of why I wanted some new ones, but that's how that one looks. Let's show the other side. And this is how the sequential ones look, and I think they look so much better. Just make sure that you push on this side that way, towards the front of the car. Get your nail in behind it, and that's it. Literally easy as that. So, oh my Christ, leave it out, mate. Yeah, you literally just unclip this and pull it. Yeah, so that is literally it. That's the old one out. Let's grab the new one. So there's no bulb in this, like I said before. It's literally just clip into that, and it saves so much. There's so much extra space in there. And then literally just push it up against it. Like that, and it's not going to move. So yeah, that is the final touch. I'll show you guys a bit later when it's completely dark, so you can see a bit of view of it. But yeah, that is literally it. Took my old ones out. I've still got the standard ones at home somewhere, but yeah, I just thought they looked a bit better than these. And I think they're a bit brighter as well. Right guys, that's the side lights. It works perfectly alongside the indicator as well. And the back one still works. Let's check the other side. That's looks so much better. It's just literally like an LED strip. But yeah, I just think it looks so much better. Let me know what you guys think. If you want me to send you guys a link to where to get these, I can always do that for you, just let me know.